Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to get a crypto.com card. So in this website or in this app version, as we can see in the lower part of your screen, you can see the home, the accounts, the market, and the card. So here, just go back and then here's the card that you might select, which means it can be Midnight Blue, Ruby Steel, Jade Green, Royal Indigo, Icy White or Rose Gold, Obsidian, and the Prime. So, for example, you want to get a card which is Jade Green, for example, then select Jade Green, and then in here it has 4 steps to finish the card application. So, here is the 4 steps. You can just continue, and then there you go. First, you need to stake CRO for 180 days, and then after doing all of the 4 steps, then you can get your crypto.com card. As easy as that.